So let's have a look at the last adjustment then, as part of adjustment, or last working as part of adjustment 9, the creation of provision for bad debts equal to 4% of debtors. So remember, we have a debtors adjustment done as part of working 5. So if you go back up to working 5, you'll see your debtors. So our debtors are here, and our debtors are 37,800. So that's the figure that we need to use. So make sure you use the most up-to-date figures. So 37,800. We're going to multiply that by 4%, and that will tell us what our new provision is supposed to be. So 1,552 is our new provision. So that's going to go into our balance sheet as a current asset. And then we just have a quick look. We get into the routine of having a quick look to see if there's any provisions already accounted for in our trial balance. And then we need to adjust it accordingly. But according to this workings, we don't have any. So this is going to go in, also going to go into your profit and loss as part of your selling distribution. So remember that if there was provisions already accounted for in the trial balance, you would take the old provision from the trial balance away from the new provision. If that provision was an increase, then that's an extra amount that you have to pay for bad debts. So that will go into your expense in your profit and loss account. If that figure was a decrease, that's extra money that we're going to receive. So that will go to your add operating income. That difference between the two, between the old figure and the new figure. So with your provision, remember you're going to take the most up-to-date figure for your debtors, which was part of working 5. So 37,800 by 4%. So our new provision for bad debts is 1,512. So we're going to take that away from 37,800 in our balance sheet as part of current assets. And then that 1,512 will go into your profit and loss account as part of your selling distribution. And then that's all the workings done. And then you go on and you do your manufacturing account, your profit and loss account, and your balance sheet, which are all part of these workings as you look through them as well up on the page. So any questions, let us know. Best of luck. Hope you found these videos helpful.